Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Nissan Juke 1.6 Premier Edition. Now, this vehicle is a petrol hybrid, it has an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch gloss Y-black alloy wheels, really complementing against the black exterior colour. This vehicle also features keyless entry, which is brilliant for allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to your boot, you have a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Syntec leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 15,602 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Nissan infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Apple Carplay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music, along with a rear view camera making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you can easily adjust temperature and airflow by using the dials and adjust the airflow direction by using the buttons. This has been a presentation on a Nissan Juke 1.6 Premier Edition that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.